Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on National Youth Day in 400 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Essay on National Youth Day. Introduction. National Youth Day is celebrated every year on 12th January all over India. This day is celebrated as the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is considered a role model for the younger generation. He was an Hindu monk and philosopher. He is known all over the world for his high thoughts and his ideals. He believed that the future of any country depends on the youth of that country. Announcement of National Youth Day. In 1984, the Government of India announced to celebrate the day of Swami Vivekananda Jayanti on 12th January every year as National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January every year since 1985 after the announcement. Importance and purpose. The importance and purpose of celebrating National Youth Day is to encourage the youth of today to move ahead in the future and make them dutiful and aware of their country. Most of the population of India is from the youth groups. The future of any country depends on the youth of that country, because only a youth can represent the country well. For the development of the country, it is very important for the youth to be educated and aware. The government encourages the youth to come up with their new ideas and new schemes. Deserving talents or candidates are also honored by the Government of India. Some valuable thoughts of Swami Vivekananda for the younger generation. Number 1. Arise awake and stop not till the goal is reached or achieved. Number 2. The harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. Number 3. Keep learning as long as there is life, because experience is the best teacher. Number 4. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. How National Youth Day is celebrated. Various programs are organized on this day in all the schools, colleges, government offices, government organizations and non-government organizations of the country. Rallies are also held at many places. On this day, an exhibition of Swami Vivekananda literature is organized. The thoughts and instructions of Swami Vivekananda are shared with the youth so that the people of the youth can get inspiration for him. Conclusion. National Youth Day fills the spirit of today's youth to do something new. Swami Vivekananda is the ideal representative of the youth. By taking inspiration from the high thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, the young generation of India can make a better future for themselves and their country. Thank you for watching.